welcome to my channel Ayurveda and your health. Friends, in this video I will tell you about the benefits of Arjuna Rest, and when you will come to know the benefits of Arjuna Rest, it will leave you stunned. In this video I will tell you how you can make Arjuna Rest at home only, and what are the ingredients which you need to make it, and what the benefits Arjuna Rest have. So before starting my video, I would like to say that please don't forget to share it and like it my video. Friends, Arjuna Rest is a liquid herbal medicine that is made by method of fermentation of Arjuna, Madhuka flowers, Mrudvika, Dhatki flowers, jaggery and water in natural way. As its main component of being Arjuna, so it is known as Arjuna Rest. Arjuna Rest is very beneficial medicine for heart related diseases. Here, without considering any dosh such as Vat, Pitta and Kapha, it can be given in all types of heart diseases, but it proves to be very beneficial in Pitta dominant symptoms. It is also used in all type of heart diseases. Arjuna Rest is very helpful in normal functioning of the arteries also. So it is very helpful in normal functioning of arteries. It also strengthens the muscles of heart so that they can work properly. If you want that your heart should work properly, you should start consuming Arjuna Rest. Not only this, your heart also performs its function of transporting blood throughout the body very well. Now I will tell you what are the ingredients which you need to make the Arjuna Rest. Stem bark of Arjuna tree, Mrudvika, Madhuka flowers, Dhatki flowers, jaggery and water. The quantity you need is 1 kg of stem bark of Arjuna tree, 500 grams of Madhrika, 200 grams each Madhuka and Dhatki flowers, 1 kilogram jaggery and 10 liters of water. So you can take it in comparative weight also. If you are taking one part of each Madhuka flowers and Dhatki flowers, then you have to take 2.5 parts of Mrudvika, you have to take 5 parts of stem bark of Arjuna tree and 50 parts of water. Now I will tell you that what you have to do to make Arjuna Rest. First of all, to make Arjuna Rest, you have to take 1 kilogram of Arjuna stem bark, 200 grams of Madhuka flowers and 500 grams of Mrudvika. In container you have to grind them and you have to make the powder, and there is no need to finally crush them. After that, put 10 liters of water in a vessel, mix these powdered ingredients in it, heat it on a low flame and keep stir it occasionally. You have to keep it on a fire until the water remains 1/4, that is 2.5 liter of water is left. Then it has to be removed from the flame and let it cool down. When this decoction is cooled down, then you have to add 200 grams of Dhatki flowers, 1 kg of jaggery. Mix the mixture well, close the lid of the container and keep it in a dry, ventilated and shady place for 1 month. After 1 month, you can remove this container from the place. You have to sieve this mixture, and the liquid part you get after sieving is Arjuna Rest. So your Arjuna Rest is ready. Now I will tell you what the benefits of Arjuna Rest are. Arjuna Rest is very beneficial for your heart. It helps in normal functioning of the arteries. It also strengthens the muscles of heart so that heart can properly perform its function of transporting blood throughout the body. Arjuna Rest controls cholesterol levels. Not only this, friends, Arjuna Rest contains plenty of polyphenols and flavonoids such as arginine, arginolone, which are very beneficial for your heart. Arjuna Rest improves the efficiency of the heart so that heart maintains blood circulation throughout the body. Arjuna Rest is a major Ayurvedic medicine that is recommended by most of the Ayurvedic doctors in heart diseases. Arjuna Rest is also rich in antioxidants. In Arjuna Rest, the components like Arjuna, Mahua flowers, Draksha make it rich in antioxidants like polyphenols and flavonoids. So in this way, Arjuna Rest also acts as a better general tonic. With regular intake, it provides better antioxidant to the users and it helps in keeping the body healthy. So according to the advice of the doctor, after 50 years, people can use it as a general tonic. Not only this, friends, Arjunarist is also very helpful in controlling the blood pressure. Substances like phytochemicals present in Arjunarist, it helps in controlling the blood pressure. Therefore, the blood pressure is controlled by its regular intake. Arjunarist also controls the heartbeat. Arjunarist is helpful in controlling the heartbeat. It also normalizes the heart rate, and it is helpful in tachycardia and bradycardia. For example, someone's heartbeat becomes too fast and sometimes someone's heartbeat becomes too low. So it protects from abnormal heartbeat and it maintains the normal heart rate. Dosage of Arjuna Rest. So you have to take 15 ml of Arjuna Rest with equal amount of water in the morning as well as in the evening. That is 15 ml of Arjuna Rest mixed with 15 ml of water. So Arjuna Rest should be consumed after eating food in the morning and evening, and its dose should not exceed 60 ml a day. Who should not consume Arjuna Rest? So Arjuna Rest should not be consumed by a patient who is having diabetes. Pregnant women should not take, and lactating mothers should also avoid it. Does Arjunarist also has any side effect? So friends, if Arjunarist is taken according to the advice of the doctor and in the prescribed dosage, it does not cause any side effect, because we all know that excess of everything is bad, and when we take anything in excess, it causes many side effects. So its maximum dose is 60 ml. If taken beyond this amount, it can cause adverse reactions such as reduced blood pressure, hypotension, headache, dizziness, etc. Otherwise, it has no side effects.